I'm gonna go and drop off a print to someone I know who owns a studio. I've worked on a few films there, like in my career. I haven't been there in a while though. I think the last thing I worked on there was like in 2023, 22. But yeah, it's a cool place and he's a super cool dude. He posted a picture of his coat of arms online for his family, and I just generated it into a 3D model. And I'm gonna go give it to him so he can hang on his door or something.